Sam D'Amico, founder and CEO of Impulse. People ask me all the time, can you really do round bottom wok cooking on an induction stove? But with Impulse, the answer is yes, and you can even get a wok effect. This is a prototype of our new Impulse Wok Ring. It's a wok ring designed to fit snugly around the Impulse burner and lets you use a real 14-inch round bottom wok on the cooktop. So induction can jump a small air gap. It's basically wireless charging works the same way. The ring holds the wok in place, and the aluminum construction, this is not actually magnetic, doesn't heat but routes the magnetic field up the sides. Most induction stoves will turn off the burner if the pan is removed and may even not power up if the pan is too small. Ours doesn't do that, also doesn't beep either. So with Impulse, we will activate the burner as long as the temperature sensor is depressed and the stove can electromagnetically see a pan. That allows us to activate the burner and get heat transfer across the whole width. Let's see what that looks like making fried rice. I have here a 14-inch round bottom wok. This is nothing special. We bought it for about 40 bucks on Amazon. I actually seasoned this wok yesterday on an Impulse cooktop. So I'm gonna start by preheating the pan using power mode at 4 kilowatts. I'm gonna add some oil to coat it. And now I'm gonna add a few scrambled eggs. I think it's time to add the rice. Also, you can see the smoke on this, it's crazy. Now, you'll notice the temperature sensor is able to actually keep this thing under control. The wok is actually getting really, really hot because we're able to, crank the power into the system. You're seeing the rice getting nice and crispy now. Get some garlic in there. And then we'll add some soy sauce. I'm really getting that smoky effect. And that's looking really good. It's really good. So I think what we do is we actually can turn this off now. Just leave it there. And then we're gonna probably add some final garnishing. We add the scallions to taste. And then we're gonna go spicy this time. And a little more, can't hurt. And then we'll add some sesame seeds. You'll see that the seasoning on this really made it totally non-stick. So this is ready to serve. You guys scheduled this for filming during my lunch. This is gonna be amazing. Add some more sesame seeds at the top. And there's enough for one more portion actually, but here you go. So we basically have egg fried rice made in about 10 minutes on a round bottom wok on the Impulse cooktop using our wok ring. I can really taste the smoky flavor, which is really surprising. This was actually a magical experience when I got this to work the first time. I was even surprised because I thought hey, you need the flame to get in, all sorts of stuff. It's no, it's you really need the oil to get to the point where it's hitting the smoke point. That smoke is mixing in, also the smoke from the soy sauce. It's mixing in with the rice, with the eggs, with anything else that's in the dish, and really able to infuse it with that special wok hay flavor. Really excited to share this with you guys. We're taking pre-orders now on our website with shipping planned for later this year. Note, it is literally an aluminum ring. I do not recommend you building your own version of this. Do not do that. And we will have recommended woks that pair with it. They'll be relatively specific and opinionated, trust us, but we're really excited to get this out. And frankly, it's been an awesome journey trying to solve every single problem that anyone would ever bring up with why they can't use an electric or induction stove. We want to basically solve this for everyone and want to make sure that there is no excuse. We have the best product and you will love it.